They're so sleepy, but because mommy is home, because mommy is doing the apartment's pre-move inspection today, they usually sleep in the apartment. They usually sleep in the afternoon when they're by themselves, when mom is at work, but they just keep following me around. Aw, Suji. And they keep wanting food because mom's home, even though they're so sleepy. You're sleepy, Baji. Go take a nap. They keep expecting me to give them food just because I'm home. Whenever I walk into the kitchen, they're like, is more food coming? Is food coming? Fuji give up. Because Fuji kind of knows. Fuji kind of knows. You're so cute, my boobly. This one is Suji Boobly. She has a middle name, Boobly. Okay, Suji. Okay. Okay, baby. Baji got no food today. Absolutely no food. No water. No love. No attention. And especially not mommy's chocolate muffin. So then he cried and cried. He cried and cried, and finally he went to sleep. Fuji and Baji are helping mommy clean. It's okay. He's not looking. We are doing our daily Baji on mom's lap routine. Baji is confirming. Hi, Baji. Hi. Baji. Baji is super upset because I didn't give him any muffin. Can you believe this? Baji. Baji was very upset today because he was not allowed to steal anything from Mommy's breakfast. It's very rare that he gets away with nothing.
Hi. Hi. I know. It's an injustice.
So he has to hunt for his own food.
He has to hunt this little ball right here. Go for it, Baji. Go for it. Yes, Baji.
Mommy's breakfast was mostly made of chocolate. That's the reason why he wasn't allowed any.